Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can see all passwords saved in your Google account. So I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to see all passwords saved in your Google account, first thing you need to open up your settings application. As you open up your settings application, you need to scroll down right to the bottom to your Google account or your Google. Click on it. In case if you have a multiple account logged into your device, then click on this arrow icon right on top, and then you'll be able to see a list of options. Once you've switched your account, you need to click on manage your Google account and you'll be taken to the info page. Once you're on this page, you need to swipe towards your left hand side and you'll need to click on security. As soon as you click on security, under it there will be a list of options. You need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right in between there is a section as signing into other sites. Under it there is an option as password manager. Click on it. As you click on password manager, you'll be able to see the password that is saved on your Google account. Since I've only saved for 2 different accounts, so click on it in order to see the password. Once you click on it, you'll be asked to verify it. Once you're done verifying your identity, next interface, in order to see the password, all you need to do is just click on this eye icon, and after that you'll be able to see your Google password. And in case if you want to delete it, then click on delete in the bottom right corner, and in that way you'll be able to see all passwords saved in your Google account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.